This is just a quick video to show you how to use the Insert Math Equation tool on Canvas. To insert a math equation, you simply click on Insert Math Equation, and it brings up a variety of options, things that you can use. So you can type regular, just use your keyboard to type numbers and symbols. If you need something smaller, you can do that there. Superscript. For example, if you need an exponent, you can do that there. Fractions. Use your arrow keys on your keyboard or your mouse to click into the fraction. And a variety of other symbols. If you need greater than, less than signs, those are under relationships. They also have greater than and equal to, less than and equal to, and many, many other features that you can use to convey to your teacher how you are thinking about